All right, it's me again. Here again, we're going to be counting 16th note rhythms. However, the first two are pretty self-explanatory. They would be like what you had on your rhythm examples before. However, the second or the bottom line, they're very complex. And we did a little bit of counting like this last year as third graders. You will remember our rhythm exercises that we did every morning when you came in, first thing when you came in. We did some complex stuff like this. So if you can kind of stretch your brain to think back to last year, that will help you, okay? I don't want you to look at this and say, oh, this looks so hard, I can't do it. You can do it. And you just have to think of it in parts of, well, the big picture of 4 beats, and then how do we break down those beats, okay? What are the little parts that go into that whole measure, okay? So think optimistically about this. We're going to do the easier 2 first. We're going to start up here. Again, this is beat 1, so we'll write in 1, and then this is beat 2, but we have to break beat 2 into 4 parts. So 2, E, and D. Oh my gosh, my handwriting is horrible with this. I need a mouse. And then there's beat 3 is right here. And then beat 4, E, and then a D. Ooh. Okay, so if you were to count this, it would be 1, 2 E and a 3, 4 E and a. Or if you were to clap it and count it, that's really what I want you to do. Starting now, ready, begin. 1, 2 E and a 3, 4 E and a. Okay? If you didn't get that, rewind it and practice it until you do. It would be awesome to get some little drumsticks or chopsticks or pencils or something that you could lightly tap maybe on the counter. Make sure it's okay with your parents, and lightly tap that. 1, 2 E and a 3, 4 E and a. Okay? Going on, this is beat 1, E and da. And then this is beat 2, and why? Because this is an 8th note and we only need to break that one beat into 2 parts, not 4 parts. So we just use the 2 and then 3, E, and da. And then this is a quarter note, so it's only going to, it's received 1 beat. We just have to write the last beat is 4. So this one's going to sound like this. Starting right here, ready, go. 1 E and a 2 and 3 E and a 4. Okay, if you didn't get that, go ahead and rewind, practice it a few times. Okay, now going down here, if we take a look at this, let's skip over this one right now. So we have 4 16th notes right here. Skip over this one and 4 16th notes here. So this is going to be beat 1, beat 2, beat 3, and beat 4. Okay. Now, this looks different because this is an 8th note that is attached to 2 16th notes. So this 8th note is going to have to get 2 parts. If we were to break all of this into 4, this is going to get 2 parts of it, okay? So we're going to count this as 1 E. And we're going to hold it. We're going to clap once on the 1, and we're going to hold it through E. And then this is a 16th note, so it's going to get the and this will get the duh. So this is going to sound like this. 1 E and da. But listen, okay, if I were to clap it, it does sound a little different. 1 E and da. So you hold the 1 E, clap on 1, hold it through the E, and then clap on and da. Okay? And then you know this one. This would be 2 E and da. We have an eighth note again, so it's going to have to receive 2 parts of that 16. So this would be beat 3, E, and then and. You clap both on and da. And then 4, E, and da. Okay. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and let me clap it. Ready, begin. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and okay, if you struggle with that, rewind it a few times, practice it. This is something you can come back to and practice every day this week, okay? You may not get all of these the first day. It's very complex. This is stuff that even when I was in junior high and high school, it was difficult for me. So I'm just teaching it to you now so you can have a good understanding of it. And then when you're really playing music like this, say you're a percussionist next year in band, or let's say you go on into vocal and you do really complex music, you're going to be reading rhythms like this. Or maybe you're a pianist and you're learning to play the piano. You're going to be playing really difficult rhythms like this at some point. So that is why I'm teaching this to you. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your remote teacher and your remote teacher will get a hold of me. Thank you for listening. I hope you guys enjoy this and I hope you have fun challenging your brain. We'll talk later. Bye.